Last year, the parish ended not badly in property tax collections. While the target that was set was surpassed, it still doesn't represent the capacity that you have. The new season, which started out a couple of days ago, that the efforts of the municipality be doubled to ensure that you work closely with TAJ to improve significantly above where you ended in the last financial year. And it is going to be critical that you put yourselves in a position that the revenues that are out there for you, that you are in a position to collect those revenues so you can deliver more service to the people of St. Elizabeth.